Okay, so howdy, all right day today. Main purpose of today was to take out the drone and sort of see what it could do, see if I could use it in recon for fossicking and get cool shots too. So I took it for a burn and I went up there and I found the spot I want to go to. It's pretty good, it looks really good, and you can sort of see what the bedrock's doing. The water's so clear, so that was good. So we're going back there, but after I did that I went up to a spot I went to last week and we had a little look around for some. I worked one crack. I thought, oh, this one looks all right, and I got to the bottom and the bottom looked good, so I started going that way and I come across two nuggets. Two little pickers, probably pretty good, probably half a gram between them, maybe less. And then kept going that way and it saw nothing else, one more little chunk. So then I went back this way and then nearly straight away I got a real nice bit. So yeah, pretty good, pretty happy, can't complain at all. Good drone shots and pretty good gold. I was in for like 2 hours, probably less. There's people sniping there too. I've never seen anyone, well, I've seen them. I haven't seen anyone snipe for a long time around where I am. Said hello, they were alright blokes. Yeah, pretty good day, can't complain. Going home with gold in the pocket and drone shots. Winning. Let's get out of here.